Here the question is, a circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meters wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meters and you have to find the area of the path. So first let's understand this question. So here one flower bed is there and the flower bed is circular. So in this way you will get a flower bed. The diameter of the flower bed is given, that is 66 meters. So this is the diameter is 66 meters. Now around this flower bed you have to make a path which is 4 meters wide. So here we have to find area of this yellow part. So this area we have to find. So how can we find out the area of this? So for that, first we will see the radius of the flower bed is 66 by 2. Okay, first we will find out the radius. So radius of flower bed, and also you can write it as radius of the inner circle. So the radius of the inner circle will be 66 by 2, that will be 33 meters. Okay, and radius of the outer circle will be how much? Now to understand this you have to see, this side is how much? This is 33. Okay, now this side is 4. So total this will be 33 plus 4. So that will be 33 inner radius plus the width. So inner radius is 33 and the width is 4. So it will be 37 centimeter. I hope this one is clear. Now you have to find the area of the path. So area of path will be how much? Area of the outer circle minus area of inner circle. Okay, so here suppose this is our small r and this is your capital R. So then you can write it as pi capital R square minus pi small r square. And now you have to just put the values and solve it. Here if you want you can take pi common also. So I am taking the pi common. So here the capital R was 37 square minus small r will be 33 square. Now you can calculate it. The value of pi you can write here. It is given 3.14. So we will write it 3.14. Now you can calculate. So here you can calculate. So you will get 1369 is the square of 37. 33 square is 1089 and then you can subtract it. So you will get 280. Now you can multiply and you can just write the answer. So here the answer will be 879.2 meter square, or also you can round off, so it will be 880 meter square. So this is the next question. A circular flower garden has an area of 314 meters square. So here let's draw the diagram. So here we have a garden, circular garden. So this is in the shape of a circle. The area of this entire garden is 314. So area is given here. So that is 314 meter square. Now in the middle of this there is a sprinkler. So here at this point there is a sprinkler and it can cover an area of radius 12 meter, means it will give the water to this area, and up to 12 meter radius it can give the water. Now we don't know whether it will cover the whole garden or only few part of the garden. So that only we have to find out, that will the sprinkler water the entire garden or not. Okay, so to do so, first we have to find out the radius of the outer circle. If we will know the radius of this, then we will know either the sprinkler will cover the whole garden or not. Okay, so for doing this, we have the area 314. So you know the formula for area, that is pi r square. So pi r square will be 314. Now you know the value of pi is 3.14 r square. So now we will find out the radius first. So r square will be 314 divided by 3.14. So that will give you 100. and you know that 100 is the square of r square is 100. That means your radius will be 10. 100 is the square of 10, because you can write it like this. So r into r is 10 into 10. That means one r will be equals to 10. Okay, so we got the radius 10. So here if you'll see, the radius of the circle or the garden came 10 meters, but the sprinkler can water from the center up to 12 meters. So here the sprinkler radius of the sprinkler came 12. That means it can cover the garden easily. Okay, so the answer this question, will the sprinkler water the entire garden? So your answer will be yes. Now see this question number 16. How many times a wheel of radius 28 centimeter must rotate to go 352 meters? So to do this question, first you have to understand a wheel is there, okay, and the radius of the wheel is given 28. So the radius is 28. Now you have to find how many times a wheel of radius 28 must rotate. So to cover how much distance? It has to cover 352 meters. Okay, now see what will happen when this wheel will rotate. Okay, so while taking the one round, how many distance it will cover? This distance will be same as the circumference. Okay, because the boundary will cover. This circle will rotate, and when the same position will come, like here again, this will come. So this distance, this whole distance will be how much? Equal to this circumference. Okay, so in one rotation, how many distance will be covered? The distance equals to its circumference. So number of rotation will be how many? This you have to find out number of rotation, and the number of rotation will be total distance divided by the circumference of wheel. And now you know the total distance, you know already. What will be the total distance? The total distance is 352. This is given, and the circumference, you know, the circumference you can write as 2 pi r. So you have to just put the values here to get the answer. So in this question, either you can find out the circumference before putting it in this formula, or else you can do it directly also, not a problem. So here meters, then the value of 2 pi is 22 by 7, and the radius is given 28 centimeter. Now one thing you have to see, the numerator is in meters and the denominator is in centimeters. So we will multiply the numerator with 100. So now it will become in centimeters. So now it is not in meters, now it is in centimeters. So we have to make sure that the units in numerator and denominator are same. Okay, now we can calculate it to get the answer. So here we have 352 divided by this, I have multiplied, so it is 44 into 28. We can cancel with this 7, so it will be 4 into 100. So now you can calculate, so you will get here 2 into 100, so that will be 200. So 200 rounds, this wheel will make 200 rounds to cover 352 meters.